Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna hop right into this tutorial. This is my lovely client Amelia, and she called me up because she wanted to get some spring twists. So I'm going to show you all the product that I will be using. I am using the Outre X-pression Afro twist 16-inch 2T1B/30, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So as you can see, I already did like a couple of rows, but I'm going to just walk you through the steps. Real simple, real easy. And I'm also going to try to give you all a close-up when I get closer to the top. But as of right now, as you can see, I'm taking that comb with the gap. Y'all, that is like the best comb to use because it gives you precise parting. It makes your squares neat and straighter. So yeah, y'all go invest into buying you all the comb with the gap. And so now I'm just going to take off a section of her hair, and I am going to make sure it's nice and neat and straight and combed out. And then I'm going to take my Shine and Jam, and I'm going to pretty much put that on her root so it can be nice and sleek, so it can last longer. And then as I do that, you're going to see me take that Outre hair, and I'm probably going to use like a whole piece. I kind of split them up while I was separating it on my rack. So I use like, I guess, one piece and slightly a half a piece when I did these twists. And you can use the hair to your discretion if you want to use two pieces to make the twist thicker. If you want to use, one piece to make it thinner, it's really on discretion on how thick or thin you want your twist. So as you can see, I'm taking that piece of hair, and I am using her hair as like the third leg. And pretty much you're going to start braiding. So how I do it, I braid off at the root and then I twist down. I do that so she can have a secure hold and that her twist won't come out. And then I braid it down at least 6 to 7 times. And once I braid it down at least that many times, or you can do an inch or 2 inches, just your preference, I'm going to take her hair and then I'm going to split it into two so that I can get ready to twist it down. And then as I'm twisting, I think I'm doing like leftover, right? Just depending on, how you braid it down, which way you want your twist to go. And I'm going to take that Shine and Jam, and I'm just going to pretty much put it on her hair so that her hair can blend in seamlessly with the Afro hair. And I'm just going to twist it all the way down. And y'all, that's pretty much how you do your spring twist. And like I said, I braid it off first so it can have a secure hold. But if you want to do like the twist where you start at the root and you twist it at the root and then twist the other side, you can do that as well. But just a simple, easier way, and it's guaranteed not to slip out. Make sure, I say, braid it down, y'all. It's not going to make a difference. But yeah, y'all, y'all just continue watching the video. I'm going to try to give you a close-up towards the top. And y'all just see how the end results are at the end. So continue watching. All right, y'all, so this is the final result. Tell the people how you feel.
Amazing.
Yes. Turn around so they can see. Yes, shake it, push it to the back, and yes, spread the parts out just a little bit so they can see. I did the square brick laid parts, crisp. Turn back around. What did you have to say about this hairstyle?
This feels very light and airy. She did a great job telling me which hair to pick out, and it was a quick and easy process, and I feel amazing.
Yeah, so she's gonna be fly in Dubai. Period. All right, y'all.